How to draw Goopy Le Grande from Cuphead, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a small circle for the nose towards the center of the page. Nice! Next, right above and to the right, we're going to draw the first eyebrow. Now attached to this eyebrow, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the eye. Now on the inside of that outline, let's go ahead and draw the pupil. Well done! So far we have the outline of the nose and the right eye and eyebrow drawn. Now let's go to the left side of the nose and let's begin to draw the left eyebrow. Similar to how we drew the outline of the eye attached to the eyebrow on the right hand side, we're going to do the exact same thing on the left hand side. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that if you're new to the channel, then welcome. I upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. For the next step, we're going to want to draw the outline of the body. Beginning with the top portion, we're going to draw a line that will connect from the left eyebrow to the right. Now before we draw the outline of the lower portion of the body, let's go ahead and draw the mouth. We're going to begin by drawing the mouth right below the two eyes. The mouth that we draw will be open. So let's begin by drawing a long curved line. Now let's go ahead and draw one more curved line, which will help make it appear as if the mouth is open. Now on the inside of the mouth, we're going to draw the teeth by drawing lines that are going up and down. We'll want to make sure that these lines are pretty evenly spaced apart. Now that we have the mouth drawn, the next step will be to draw the outline of the lower body. So let's go ahead and do this, starting on the left hand side. And this is eventually going to connect all the way over to the right hand side. Now once we're all done drawing the outline of the body, the next and final step will be to add small detail by using curved lines. You can either match me and do exactly what I do, or you can get a little creative and do whatever you would like. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Also, be sure to subscribe if you want to see any more videos just like this. Next, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.